Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I just want to know, does anybody else get excited to get books? Oh my gosh, I love books. I've always loved books, and so junk journals are just right up my alley. But I have to show you what I found on eBay, and I had to have them, so let me show you. All right, as you know, I love doing junk journals, and I wanted to find some specific books. So that's what this is. And I don't know if you ever look on eBay for things, but you can find some used items there that work perfectly. Let me get this all the way open. They've got it wrapped pretty good. Do you know what these are? They are Reader's Digest books. This one is from 1969. Look at good condition it's in. Wow, 1969. Wow. Where were these kept? My goodness, that one's going to be hard to tear. But anyway, look, I got 10 for $16.96 plus shipping. So there was shipping. And look at that. It's so awesome. So I'm excited because that's like $1.69 a book plus shipping. But I mean, it's an actual Reader's Digest vintage book. So there's these three. Then these two. They're in really, really good shape. This one's from 1960. Won't these be great for altered journals? Altered book journals? Junk journals? All right. And then there's this one. Look at that. You guys, 1965. Wow. These are in really, really good shape. And I think these were from a bookstore. So, don't forget to check eBay for some deals on some books. I also ordered, and this one you could leave like this. That's awesome. That's beautiful. I also ordered some golden books. I can't wait to get those. And this one's like, I think we might have to make this one into a regular junk journal. Maybe a no-sew. That looks kind of cool on the back. Look at these. How awesome is that? All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick video of all these wonderful Reader's Digest books. Thanks so much for watching.